So a while back ago, I made a video about how you can use Google Translate to access restricted sites on school networks. Well, today I'm going to show you something even more interesting you can do with Google Translate. Alright, so you know how all the huge VPN companies are charging you money just so you can have a secure connection? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing for free. Alright, so say that I wanted to access something, well, it doesn't necessarily have to be a restricted site, but something that you wouldn't want getting in the outside world. So, say I wanted to look up 4chan. I mean, they have a bunch of psychos on there, so something I wouldn't want to be labeled. Okay, so similar to last time, you just select a language that you do not speak over on the left, and language that you do speak on the right. Then you click the link, and there you go. Boom, you're there. Now, you might be wondering, how exactly does this become a VPN? Well, let me show you. So, as you can clearly see in my search history, absolutely nothing is on there. Completely blank slate. I mean, sure, there's Google Translate, but I mean, no one actually sees all the weird, messed up stuff that you search. So, yeah, there you go. Google Translate is basically a free VPN. Peace.